Hey guys. So, I think I showed you in the last video, hold up there buddy, that I have the head scarf jointed on. Now that's going to take some work right here and some work right here, because this is a rough sawn piece of wood that a friend of mine named Len gave me. What I liked about it for making the base is that it's thicker, so perhaps stronger. I'm doing a 34-inch scale, which is a standard base scale, which my son lent me his base so I could make this 34-inch scale template. So you can see here's the nut, 3rd fret, 5th fret, all the way down to the bridge is right here at 34 inches. Now I know, I don't know if you know, but that means that the 12th fret right there will be halfway between the nut and the bridge. So if we take this template and fold it in half, we should see that the 12th fret is right there in the middle of it, which it is. Now, I'm gonna put a heel on here using a piece of the same stock that I used for the head right there, 1/2 inch by 1.5 inches, by 2 inch, but you know that really works out to 2 inches. And then for some reason the half is allowed to be true. I don't know. So I've already cut the hole in the top of the box right there. And now I can put this against the top and scribe my line for how deep to cut the other side. Right there. Now, if I was an octopus, this would be easy to do, but I only have 2 hands. So somehow, I'll probably get my wife to come help me so I can scribe it easily. And then I've got my fretboard here. Oops. Which will go on top. And it will extend down to the box. And I haven't really seen anywhere where they say on your box to put your bridge how far from the edge. But I normally do it about 3 inches. I don't really want to cover this Patron thing up, and I think I'm just gonna stain this like a darker color to really pull the colors out. So my bridge is gonna go about right here. And I'll cut everything to length. And see you in the next video. Now, one other thing. Because if you look at this here, for some reason I can't find my little ruler here, so I'll just use this plastic one. This together is about an inch, and it's over 1 inch and it's not quite 1 3/4 inches. So that means it's going to go down to about here in my box, and we put the screws here to hold the bridge and heel against the bottom of the box solidly. So I will have to put a spacer underneath that to make it where the box doesn't bow when I tighten it down. So there you go. See you in the next video.